So the first thing we need to do is make sure our name's at the top. Do not write Mrs. Lobb, that's not helpful. Today's date, just in case you're wondering, when we started this packet is 9/25/24, and then you're just gonna write your hour here. All right, so I know we have been reviewing rules for addition and subtraction. And it's a lot, but there are more rules, or different rules, I should say, for multiplying and dividing. But I think it's easier than addition and subtraction, okay? So when you multiply and divide integers, you're going to multiply or divide as you usually would, but then you just have to figure out the sign of your answer. So the sign of your product or the sign of your quotient. Here are the rules for that. If they're both positive, they make a positive. If they're both negative, they make a positive. So what I say, same signs, our answer is positive. Same signs, our answer is positive. However, when we have different signs, if we have a positive and a negative, or a negative and a positive, that is going to make a negative answer, okay? So different signs here. Different signs make it negative when we are multiplying and dividing. Same signs make it positive when we are multiplying and dividing. What operations do these apply to? Multiplying and dividing only. Okay? A lot of you are behind, and Alex, so no, we're not going outside. A lot of you need to retake the quiz, so no, we're not going outside. Way to go, Idaho. All right. So we're going to multiply as we normally would. What is 2 times 7? 14. Are my signs the same or different? The same, so my answer is positive. When my signs are the same, my answer is going to be positive. Remember, these are new rules. New rules for multiplying and dividing. They're not the same as addition and subtraction. All right, multiply as you normally would. What's 3 times 10? 30. So I'm going to write 30. Are my signs the same or different? The same. So my answer is positive. Well done. Multiply as you normally would. What is 3 times 8? 24. Very good. You notice that our signs were different. So our answer is negative. Woohoo. 4 times 1 is what? 4. But our signs are different, so our answer is negative. All right, go ahead and try the next 4 in this section real quick, so I'm sure you know what you're doing. Try those out. Hopefully we're multiplying. If we're struggling with multiplication, by all means, use your multiplication table. This is in your planner.
I was trying to other topics from my other hours, but I couldn't connect to it. I lost it.
Shut down, restart.
I lost it.
All right, awesome question, guys. remember now that we're big kids, we're not gonna see a lot of X's. We are going to see a lot of parentheses that stand for multiplication. And we're going to see dots that stand for multiplication. So that's what all those things mean. This is Emily. I do. Yep. Mhm. I'm not sure. All right. Hopefully these were quick and easy. Hopefully you tried these. We don't learn math by diffusion. We learn math by doing math. So remember, when I have a number touching a parentheses, that means I have to multiply it by what's in the parentheses, okay? So what is 5 times 2? 10. Then I just need to determine the sign of my answer. My sign are the same, so my answer is positive. I do nothing. What's 3 times 15? 45. All right, and that's just kind of straightforward. I hope you didn't say that was negative, right? What is 12 times 4? 48. And you should notice that your signs are different, so our answer is negative. Very good. Are you catching on okay? I think this is easier than addition and subtraction, correct? Yes. Okay, good. So what is 4 times 8? 32. Careful there. And then our signs are the same, so our answer is positive. So we're done with page 1. We're gonna hop to page 3. And you are going to complete, this is page 3. And the first thing you're going to do today to practice are numbers 1 through 12. Numbers 1 through 12. When you get done with that, you should have lots of time to be catching up and getting ahead in Alex. The goal for Alex is to have 75% of your pie completed by spring. So we are going to keep chugging away and working hard there. That's the goal. By doing at least 5 a week, you should hopefully get there. But we are doing numbers 1 through 12. Remember, we just practiced these. These are just multiplication. If you need to write notes, you can write same sign. Oop, not same thing, same sign. Positive, that fun English language, English spelling, I should say. And then different signs. If our signs are different, our answer is what? Negative. Very good. What's up? Quickly. All right, I'm gonna end this recording. I don't think you need to see it again.